Vizio TV remote suddenly not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. And I've got some quick and easy fixes for you. Step 1. Check the batteries. It may sound simple, but most of the time, weak or dead batteries are the real issue. Remove the old batteries, put in fresh ones, and make sure they're inserted correctly. Now test the remote again. Step 2. Power cycle the remote. If new batteries didn't fix it, try a quick reset. Remove the batteries from your remote. Press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. This drains any leftover power and resets the remote. Now put the batteries back in and try again. Step 3. Power cycle the TV. Sometimes the issue is with the TV, not the remote. Unplug your Vizio TV from the wall socket. Wait at least 1 minute. Then, plug it back in and turn it on using the remote. This often clears out temporary glitches. Step 4. Check the IR signal. Vizio remotes use an infrared IR signal. Make sure there's no blockage between the remote and the TV sensor. Pro tip: point the remote at your phone's camera and press any button. If you see a flashing light on your phone screen, the remote is sending a signal. If not, the remote might be faulty. Step 5. Try the Vizio mobile app. Still stuck? Download the Vizio mobile app on your smartphone. It works as a virtual remote and lets you control your TV instantly while you decide if you need a replacement remote. Step 6. Get a replacement remote. If nothing works, your remote may be damaged. You can easily order an official Vizio replacement remote online, or even use a universal remote that supports Vizio TVs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.